Hello everyone, welcome to our Accounting 204 Managerial Cost Accounting class, and specifically the online version, including our course site here on Brightspace, as you see in front of you. So I just wanted to take a couple of minutes with this video and try to make sure that we're comfortable with where to find everything. We will be using our textbook very extensively in this class, more so than some of my other accounting classes. And so it's the 7th edition of the Fundamentals of Cost Accounting, and you'll find links in this course to that textbook, and your assignments will primarily come from that textbook and from the Connect online access that comes with the textbook. So let's review how this is laid out. If you've had me for another accounting class, you'll see that it's very much the same outline, same way that I organize each class. Major things that you need to worry about are up top. There is the news feed in the middle, keep you up to date with what's happening. My information contact is here on the right side, including my Zoom room for office hours. And each of the things are organized as modules. Each topic or chapters organized as modules by week. So let's look at what we might be able to find. First of all, there's a place you can introduce yourselves as given in the news feed, and we're going to jump to the syllabus as linked to in the news feed, and you'll see the information. My office hours, 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and then Tuesday evening. The Zoom room, again, another link to that. Information about the class, some phone numbers to reach me or administrative assistant, catalog description, requirements, and there's again information about the textbook and our supplemental text, the goal, a process of ongoing improvement. It's written more as a novel than a textbook, but I think you'll enjoy reading it. We'll read that and write up about it. I have put copies of it on reserve at the library for you to use. You can also find your own copy on Amazon for a very low price. Lots of used versions. Or you may just find it in a library, a local library, easy enough too, if you look it up. There's different versions, but they're literally should be identical. Okay, then our learning outcomes, things, and our schedule of activities. You can see that each week it's laid out what chapters we're covering, and then the way that we're going to go about assignments and so forth, grading, so forth. So each chapter will have a reading review. This is through Connect. This will be questions about your reading. You get to answer them until you get them right. So you always should be able to get 10 points on that. You just need to get that completed by Friday of the week we're working on. And then you'll get those points because you just keep answering questions until you get them right. And then the homework problems are from the back of each chapter, but you actually complete them in the Connect system where you can fill in blanks and you can do the calculations, all that kind of stuff right in the Connect system. It will tell you whether you got it right or wrong, and then you can try again. You keep checking and keep doing them until you get them correct. So again, you should be able to get 20 points as long as you're willing to try multiple times. Each week there will be a discussion. There will need to be 2 postings. Read carefully the instructions for each of the graded discussion boards. Your first one, you won't be able to see everybody else's, but as soon as you've made that first post, you'll be able to see others, and you'll be expected to comment on the others. You'll need to make at least two posts, one original, one follow-up. However, you can make as many follow-ups as you would like. That would help clarify. The idea with discussions is you continue to post and refine your responses. That's the idea of a discussion until you get correct answer. So if you've realized after you've posted that perhaps you missed some points or missed some of the question, please continue to post until it closes on Monday evening. So your first post should be up by Saturday so others can make comments on it, but you do have till Monday. I would encourage you to post as early in the week as possible so that there can be this maximum amount of discussion. And then our written paper this semester will be about the goal. This is the kind of description of how that's going to work, and we'll talk more about it as we go along in this semester. We'll have 3 tests, each worth 100 points. They will be very problem-oriented. You'll have a week to complete them. You'll do them on your own. It will not require interaction with the system. You'll do them in Excel and then submit them just like you would do in a Dropbox, most like you would do with homework in a normal situation. Then there's information about attendance policy, withdrawal, dishonesty, and our efforts to help anyone that might need accommodation. So we can review those. So let's go back to the first module, which is the introduction, which has the syllabus and a couple of things. The introduction, discussion board, question discussion board, which there will always be as well, which isn't graded and is open the whole time, doesn't close. Okay, and then a link to your reading, typically in the. Okay, so your first module looks like this. We're covering 2 chapters. Here's the link to the reading, to the PowerPoint slides explaining them, my review videos, and then the actual questions and answers, questions from the Connect system that you can again answer as many times as you need to get the right answer. Then here's your graded discussion that requires the 2 postings, and then your assignment is where you'll find the homework. Again, you can find out if you get it correct or incorrect, and then repost and redo as many times as necessary on the homework. So that's how each week is organized. That's all of the information and the way the grades will be set up. Typical grading in terms of points. So if you have questions, again, you can post them. Look forward to working with you and look forward to this semester in cost accounting.